Okay, so I'm using the ScotchBrite Unitized Wheel to clean up this bezel right here. I had done it earlier for the show, but I'm going to show you real quick. So I have the Unitized Wheel on there, and so you just hold it right here, and you can smooth all the lumps and bumps off of it. Get all the way in there. So we got that nice and smooth right now. See that? And then we got, I think we're good. We're good to go. Let me just clean up right here. You can get really in there. Very nice. Okay, so from here, I'm going to use the felt wheel. And I can polish. That's a felt wheel. More than meets the eye. Okay, so right here, I'm going to polish it now. You can see how I polished it up beautifully. Okay, and you can even do the very lip. It won't scratch the stone. Get all to the really detail. Let's get in here. And if you really want to, let's polish that up too. And then let me get in here. Polish that up. Get that really inside rim. May touch this back side up again. And I'm going to use that green brush to kind of get into the nooks and crannies. So let's take a look at what we just did. Nice and smooth. So right here, oh, it's lost its focus. Okay, so right here, I'm going to use the green. Oh, I can actually polish here without worrying about the detail getting lost, by the way. People keep asking me this, so let me show you that. So our felt wheel is not aggressive as everyone thinks it might be, but it's not even removing the patina or harming the stone, the design. And there we go. See how beautifully polished it is. Now to get into these nooks and crannies, I'm going to use the green brush in a 1 micron. Again, if you have something that is really rough, you might want to use a heavier grade, but for the most part, I can get in here and polish. And you can see how I polished right in there. You see that? And so let me clean up the rest. It'll get into all the nooks and crannies. This is only good for nooks and crannies. I wouldn't do the whole surface of this with it. You touch it up, but for the most part, it's great for the nooks and crannies. And that's pretty much it. Nooks and crannies. Cranny, cranny, nook and cranny. And there you go, we're done. Yeah, this sucker gets now into it. Be able to, yeah, so we're done. So as you can see right here, we finished the whole side polished. Really nice.
The 3-inch, the 6-ply, is it 6 or 4 that we have here? We don't have them separate anyway.
We have both, but we have them in kits right now.
Okay. Yeah, there you go.